If you want to make money as a life coach or any kind of coach, then listen up. It's far easier than you think. I'm going to take you through 3 simple steps in this video. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to start or grow your coaching business from wherever it is now to easy 6 figures a year. And I mean, grow it fast. I'm Trevor Emden, International Success Coach, and what I'm about to tell you is really the story of how I turned my own failing coaching business from a part-time flop to a business that's thriving, by which I mean not only do I love it, but financially I'm paying all the bills and still have money left over. Since lockdown eased here in England, my wife and I have been able to have not 1 but 2 holidays in under 4 months, something I'd never have been able to afford before, even with my old day job income. So here we go. Step 1. Fix your money mindset. I've written and spoken a ton about this elsewhere, but I'm going to put this specifically in context for you as a coach or would-be coach. See it from your customer's perspective. If you're too cheap, 2 things will happen. They'll think you're not very good, and by the way, so will you. And because of that first one, they won't value what you teach them. I mean, when have you ever got anything free or cheap that you really cared about? Especially if it involved you doing some work. I mean, suppose you want to lose some weight and you download a free diet tips sheet from the internet. Maybe you'll glance at it, but it was free, so you're far more likely to ignore its advice. Now imagine you hire a top-notch professional trainer who gives you the exact same diet advice. He or she is costing you a small fortune, so now you'll listen, won't you? The price you charge says something about not only how you value yourself, but about the results your clients will get. If they don't get results, they won't spread the word. In fact, they'll tell people you're rubbish, so you'll lose money more than once. And even if they do get the results they want, what are they going to tell people? That they should hire you because you're cheap. You'll end up stuck with that label for a long, long time, maybe forever, so don't do it. Okay, step 2, fix one problem. I swear if I had £1 for every coach's website I've seen that says something like, I'll improve your life, I could retire rich. Again, the key is to put yourself in the client's shoes. That's easy, we're all customers of all kinds of things. Now, think about what keeps you awake. Has it ever been something like, boy, I wish I could improve my life? Of course not. That's not how people think. We might think, what can I do to beat Johnny to that promotion? I know he's the boss's favourite. Or, how can I get my 2-year-old to sleep through the night? Or, how can I lose 10 pounds before my summer holiday? Those would all improve people's lives, wouldn't they? But I know when I speak to coaches, they're afraid to narrow their focus like this. They want to argue, but I can do so many more things. No doubt that's true, but that's not how to build a business. If you want to make money as a coach, start with one specific and hot problem that your target market has. It'll probably be a problem you've overcome yourself. That's how most of us start, and it means your expertise is already established. Which brings me to the 3rd and final step. Step 3. If you want to find your avatar, look in the mirror. I've been so hung up on trying to find my avatar because, like you, I expect, I was told by people whose success far outstripped mine in terms of marketing that you must know your avatar. In other words, who are you talking to? You can't be all things to all people. The traditional advice is to search for blogs they read, interests they have, their earnings bracket, and so on. I've done it. It took me ages, like 3 days, and I was none the wiser. Until one day it dawned on me that I'm really only talking to a previous version of myself. I once was a struggling coach. I figured out how to get the marketing sorted and now make a very comfortable living from coaching online. So now I show struggling coaches how to make a very comfortable living online. It's not rocket science, is it? They're not all going to watch the same TV shows as me or play guitar as I do, but they'll be more or less in the same earnings bracket. If they're way above it, they're less likely to care about growing their business because they have enough money already. And if they're too far below it, they're not going to pay for coaching anyway. Because I've been there, I understand their pain, the frustrations, and the way out. Perfect. And you can figure that out in less than 10 minutes. So there you have it. If you want to know how to make money as a life coach, you first have to be at peace with money. Then you need to fix one problem your avatar has, and now you can easily find that because he or she is an X version of you. And well, what was the biggest problem you had to solve? Helpful? If you'd like more, I can show you how you can get your first or next high-paying client in under 10 weeks without spending a penny on ads, and also without any hard selling, which not only do coaches hate to do, but clients hate to be on the receiving end of. I have a free training where I reveal all of those secrets and more, and there isn't even anything for sale on the training. There's a link in the description below this video if you're watching it on YouTube, or somewhere around if it's somewhere else. Just click it and register for the free training. And finally, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to this channel so you'll get notified when I post more useful videos. And also feel free to leave a comment below too. I do read them, so I will get back to you if you have questions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.